Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you this Feit electric 25 watt CFL light bulb. Now obviously this is a nice older CFL, maybe from right around when they started making these helical type CFLs. Because it's very large, you can tell compared to my hand. It just barely fits in my palm, so very large bulb. We have I think this is a T4 helical shaped tube up here with a 2700K 800 series phosphor. And then we have a plastic ballast enclosure which says Feit. 120 volt is the model number. Really typical. There's this weird number, I wonder if that's a date code. There's a caution warning. It's UL listed, not dimmable. Doesn't even give color temperature. It's 25 watt, you can tell. Oh, and it has a not brass base and a glass insulator, that's nice. And this base is solderless, but it has a glass insulator, so interesting. Not usually a combination that you see all the time. Well, we'll grab the socket. Had to unplug the dimmer because it can't dim this bulb. And we'll screw this in. And there you go. Turn off the lights. And we'll turn this on in 3, 2, 1. Despite its age, it is in fact instant on, which sucks. I don't really care for instant on fluorescence. In CFLs it's okay, but in real fluorescence I really don't like it. But I still prefer resonant type start over this. It's already warmed up almost. This didn't take very long at all. It might even started warmed up, I'm not sure. We'll take a closer look here. It is in fact 2700K. That's what pretty much every CFL is. People who think that CFLs don't come in 2700K are living under a rock. Well, anyway, it is very bright. It's probably a 100 watt equivalent. CRI is what I would consider sort of normal CRI. It's not exceptional, but it's not bad either. An incandescent bulb would be a million times better than this, but this is livable. I could live with this CRI. I could probably live with anything above 50, but this is decent for a living space or workspace or anything like that. This would totally be acceptable. We'll take one last look at our bulb. We'll start it up one more time. Oh wow, it appears to be glowing. That might just be from that candle warmer it's on over there. But yeah, it's instant on. It's boring. It has some blackening, I think. Yeah, it has some blackening, so it has been used. I'll give you one last view of how well it illuminates, and then we'll come down here and end the video. Well, there you have it. A nice old Feit electric 25 watt CFL. It's not warm. Well, it is warm, but it's not hot. Yeah, very nice. Really nice CFL. This is probably back when Feit products were actually good. Yeah, I like the CFL. I don't like that it's instant on, but I like it because it seems pretty high quality. Well, anyway, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time.